Hey, good morning. I'll be loading up the Adept AWC system. You knew you couldn't avoid these videos, right? Sooner or later, you were going to get one, sit down, watch it. Boring as hell. Here, I'm going to load the system. Because I don't have the default drive specified, I had to go through this little step. I have an Adept Cobra 600 attached to it, so you'll see a little different version and a model number come up than your 550. Basically the same though. Okay, so we got the dot prompt there, and the task for this morning is find out what licenses are on your computer. As you may have found out, if you do an FDIR, that'll tell you the directory of the current drive and current folder. If you're in a different folder, it's going to show you something then. This is subdirectory of D. D is your drive on an AWC generally. And you'll see right there is a UTIL folder. Now we can change directory, that's a CD, and go to UTIL, and we'll see the one we're looking for. Come on there, dog. FDIR, we're gonna check the directory of the utility, and there it is, right there, laying right there. It's the config_c.u. So we're gonna load config. I type slow _c, and that should load it right up, and you see that it's running. I think you've been through this before with something else. We're going to execute it in the number one processor. You got about 6 to choose from. The main processor, if you don't specify the processor 0, is the one that's going to do motion, because it'll want you all powered up and all the rest of that. So for events like this, we just kind of go and we use one of the other ones. Big_C, and we're going to execute it. Now we're going to execute it, and we're going to look on the controller NVRAM. That's what we're concerned with. That is choice number 4. And we're going to, excuse me, do number 1. Only do number 1. Do not initialize it. It actually won't let you. You don't want to set the IP address, whatnot. You absolutely can to check it and whatnot if you want a different IP because it fits in your system. But let's do this right now. We're going to select number 1. We're going to go on. This is the screen. Take a snapshot of this screen with your cell phone camera. I know all you young bucks got cell phone cameras. I have a flip phone myself, for God's sake. But anyways, this is important. This AIM. It's an automatic manufacturing. It makes it easier to set up a work cell. I'm not a real software guy, but I'll tell you, it does. The Adept NTFS, NFS client, that's going to allow you to run the server program, which you have to do to be able to talk from your PC to the AWC. It's a software that, it's not the software, it is the license for the software. These are all licenses, they are not the software. Adept Robot you must have because you've run it before, but Adept Windows, you must have Adept Windows on your licenses to be able to run Adept Windows. Alright, that's kind of the deal we're getting to when you kind of go 0 to get out and 0 to get out. And that's it for today. Not a bad one today. See ya.